changed. Russia bought the planes from the plans for
From McDonnell Douglas?
McDonnell Douglas.
Right.
Yeah.
And then they,
DC-3.
C-47.
They bought the 1934, 35, they bought the plane. And the Russian engineer Lissunov is the one that changed the plane, a little bit of the plane for the Russian territory, so to say. What they did actually is they put in front of the right behind the hotel, in front of the cylinder, they put openings and doors because they applied to Siberia.
Oh, so they were putting on dampers to stop the air from cooling the engine down too much.
Exactly.
Right. Okay.
Lee 2 was the one that was used to build that. Now it was 1960 like modem. And the plane that I was trained for was the co-pilot. I don't have the yacht, the 18, the one that was training. Then I went to the bigger plane, co-pilot.
So DC-3.
DC-3, yeah. And with something hard. But that was only 2 years ago. But that time also, 14, that I had to watch on the 14, that also
I just, 2 years ago, I flew a DC-3. We right from right seat. The most wonderful airplane on earth. This gentleman flew a Russian model DC-3, a McDonnell Douglas aircraft that was built back in the 30s. It is the longest continuously operating aircraft in the world.
In the history of aviation, actually. It's still used in South Africa, in South America, and Africa.
Wow.
Best plane ever.
And it's a tail wheel.
It's tail wheel.
Pleasure.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you much.
Pleasure. Stop back again, please.
We will.